Are you looking for the best metal 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best metal 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Prusa XL 5 Toolhead 3D Printer. The original Prusa XL assembled 5 Toolhead 3D printer is a high-performance, large-format Core XY 3D printer designed for professionals and advanced enthusiasts seeking exceptional print quality, multi-material capabilities, and minimal waste. With a substantial build volume of 360 by 360 by 360 mm, 14.17 by 14.17 by 14.17 inches, it accommodates large-scale projects such as architectural models, cosplay costumes, and batch manufacturing. A standout feature is its innovative 5 Toolhead Auto Tool Changer, allowing for rapid, automatic switching between 5 independent extruders. This design eliminates the need for manual filament changes, reducing material waste and enhancing print efficiency. The printer supports a wide range of thermoplastics, including PLA, PETG, ASA, and ABS, and features a segmented heat bed with 16 individually controlled segments, ensuring uniform heat distribution and optimal adhesion. Number 2. Revopoint MetroX 3D Printer. The Revopoint MetroX is a professional-grade handheld 3D scanner designed for high-precision applications, including 3D printing, reverse engineering, and quality control. It employs blue laser line and full-field structured light scanning technologies, offering metrology-grade accuracy of up to 0.01 mm and single-frame precision up to 0.02 mm. The scanner achieves scanning speeds of up to 800,000 points per second in multi-line laser mode and 7 million points per second in full-field structured light mode. Number 3. Creality K2 Plus Combo 3D Printer. The Creality K2 Plus Combo 3D Printer is a high-performance, fully enclosed Core XY system designed for advanced users seeking speed, precision, and multi-material capabilities. It offers a large build volume of 350 by 350 by 350 mm, accommodating complex, large-scale projects. The printer achieves high-speed printing of up to 600 mm per second with 30,000 mm² acceleration and features a dual-gear direct drive extruder that supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, ASA, PPA, and carbon fiber composites, with a maximum hot end temperature of 350 degrees Celsius. Its Creality Filament System, CFS, enables up to 16-color multimaterial printing by connecting up to 4 CFS units, each holding 4 filament spools. Additional features include dual AI cameras for real-time print monitoring, fully automated bed leveling with anti-tilt calibration, and an active heated chamber maintaining up to 60 degrees Celsius for optimal printing conditions. With these advanced capabilities, the K2 Plus Combo delivers exceptional print quality, versatility, and reliability for professional and enthusiast 3D printing projects. Number 4. ELEGOO Saturn for Ultra. The ELEGOO Saturn for Ultra 16K Resin 3D Printer is a high-performance MSLA, masked stereolithography, 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking exceptional print quality and speed. It features a 10-inch monochrome LCD with a 16K resolution, 14112 x 7936 pixels, delivering ultra-fine detail and sharpness in prints. The printer boasts a maximum print speed of 150 mm per hour, allowing for rapid production of intricate models. Its large build volume of 8.33 by 4.66 by 8.66 inches, 211.68 by 118.37 by 220 mm, accommodates sizable projects. Number 5. Creality K1 SE 3D Printer. The Creality K1 SE 3D Printer is a high-performance Core XY system designed to deliver exceptional speed and precision for both hobbyists and professionals. It boasts a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 20,000 mm², enabling rapid and accurate prints. The printer features a dual-gear direct drive extruder equipped with a quick-swap tri-metal nozzle, allowing for versatile filament compatibility, including flexible materials like TPU. Its hands-free auto-leveling and Z-offset calibration ensure consistent first layers and ease of use. The K1 SE comes pre-assembled for a plug-and-play experience, with a build volume of 250 by 220 by 220 mm. While it lacks some premium features found in higher-end models, such as enclosure panels and AI cameras, it offers a cost-effective solution without compromising on performance. The printer's robust build and user-friendly interface make it a compelling choice for those seeking high-speed 3D printing capabilities.